Hey, Texas Voodoo here. Today we're going to do a little unboxing, early review on my new tires I just got. Federal Couragia MTs 37-1250 by 17s. Great looking big lugs on them. They got some side biters all around the sides. Rim protection around the lip. Plenty of siping in the wheel tires. Sorry. Great looking. Can't wait to get them on the mounted on the Moto Metals and get them on the Gladiator. Hope to have that done tomorrow. So I'll do an update and post it up once I get them on the Gladiator. So I hope you like the review of the tires. These are 37s. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give me a like, any comments, let me know if there's something else you want to know about the tires.